Hi, this is a short walkthrough of what this construction management looks like, showing how the system works and how it can give your company better visibility, control, and accountability across your construction operations. So, construction companies don't always lose money because of one big mistake. Most of the time, the losses came from small operational gaps, untracked materials, delayed billings, duplicate invoices, poor approvals, missing documents, and problems management discovers too late. And welcome to BuildFlow ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a central system that connects the company's major operations into one platform, so different departments can work from the same data instead of separate spreadsheets, files, and software. BuildFlow is the system's standards brand name, but it can also be customized and rebranded under your company's name if you prefer. BuildFlow brings the company's core construction operations into one connected system, from purchasing and inventory to project costing, billing, accounting, approvals, and reporting. So management gets better control, visibility, and accountability. Instead of everyone looking at the same generic dashboard, BuildFlow gives each row the information that matters to them. So they immediately see what is happening, what is delayed, what needs attention, and what action to take. Running a construction company means making hundreds of decisions every day. BuildFlow ERP brings your finances, operations, projects, procurement, HR, inventory, and executive approvals into one real time command center. So you always know what's happening and what needs your attention next. For the CEO or owner, the goal is simple: see the truth of the business in one screen: profitability, cash, project performance, bottlenecks, approvals, risks, and where management needs to intervene. Let me show you what that looks like inside the CEO Command Center. So this is the CEO Command Center, a complete real-time view of the company's financial health, projects, risks, and executive actions from one screen. And we have here an AI daily brief. So we have included an AI feature in the system. BidFlow is also an AI-powered ERP. What that means is the system doesn't just store data and show reports. It actively analyzes what's happening across the business, identifies risks and bottlenecks, highlights what needs attention, and recommends the next best action. In short, BuildFlow doesn't just tell you what happened, it helps you understand what's happening now, what could happen next, and what you should do about it. So, right at the top, we have the AI executive briefing, where BuildFlow summarizes the most important business issues, highlights what needs attention, and recommends the next actions of the CEO. There's also a quick shortcuts for the following. You have the view risks. You can also the view approvals. You can also see here the cost leakage, the revenue leakage, and you can also ask AI. So anything you'd like to ask as a CEO is here. So AI will give a response. Below the AI daily brief are the top KPI cards. giving the CEO an instant snapshot of the company's projects, contract value, revenue, profit, cash, receivables, payables, inventory, assets, approvals, delays, and potential cost or revenue leakage. Next, we have the top alerts and red flags, where critical financial, operational, and project issues are automatically prioritized so management can focus on what matters most. Right below that is the CEO Action Center, which brings together the key approvals and executive decisions that require immediate attention. Here we have the 13-week cash flow forecast, which helps the CEO see how cash is expected to move in the coming weeks and anticipate possible liquidity issues early. On the receivable side, the CEO can quickly see how much is collectible, what is overdue, and which accounts may need follow-up. Beside that is payables, where upcoming supplier obligations and outstanding payments can be monitored to better manage outgoing cash. Next is the project profitability ranking, which makes it easy to compare projects and see which ones are generating the strongest margins and which ones need closer attention. Here, the budget versus actual view shows which projects are staying within budget and which ones are already overspending. Next is the project health score, which gives each project an overall performance rating based on factors such as budget, schedule, progress, and operational condition. On this side, the top 10 business risk panel highlights the biggest financial and operational risks currently facing the company so they can be addressed before they become bigger problems. Below that is the operations risk map, which shows recurring operational issues across projects and departments and helps management see where problems are coming from. Next is the bid management snapshot, which gives the CEO visibility into current bid opportunities, their potential value, progress, and status. So near the bottom, we have the key questions this dashboard is designed to answer, helping the CEO quickly understand performance, profitability, cash position, project risk, and what needs attention. And finally, the executive reports section provides quick access to the most important management reports without having to go through each module individually. So instead of waiting for separate reports from different departments, the CEO can open one dashboard and immediately see what is happening, what is at risk, and where action is needed.